The Center for Community Change, CCC, is a progressive community organizing group active in the United States. It was founded in 1968 in response to civil rights concerns of the 1960s and to honor Robert F. Kennedy. The organization's stated mission is to build the power and capacity of low-income people, especially low-income people of color, to change their communities and public policies for the better. CCC has received funding from the Democracy Alliance and the Tides Advocacy Fund. Activities. The Center for Community Change generally works in urban areas, especially within communities of color, and attempts to create resident-based groups to work on local issues of concern. The organization sponsors internships and training programs in several areas, including community organizing, service learning, union organizing, electoral engagement, and youth-student organizing. The organization provides resources for grassroots groups, including campaign strategy, funding and social media strategy. In 2004, through the collaboration with immigrant groups, the Center for Community Change organized the Fair Immigration Reform movement that empowered immigrants to speak out. CCC has helped to create government programs like the Community Reinvestment Act and the Food Stamps Program. The organization seeks to create workplace environments that value family, to guarantee minimum wage, unlock opportunities in the poorest communities, and increase income taxes for the wealthy. The Center for Community Change launched the Fair Immigration Reform Movement, FIRM, an immigration reform movement working for comprehensive immigration reform. FIRM received funding from the Open Society Foundations and the Ford Foundation. CCC website, FIRM website.